Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to give an update on my thoughts on Bitcoin and where I think we're headed. I did do a video yesterday, but it didn't get uploaded to YouTube, so I'm just going to do another one. Yesterday, everything I said pretty much was spot on, so I'll go over that a bit again today in case you missed it. So I was looking at the weekly Bitcoin chart and I saw that there's a strong weekly trend line that it's respecting BTC. So I was actually basing or waiting to see if it was going to hit that trend line again, and it has, and it did. We're still inside this golden pocket between 61.8 and 50, which is a beautiful buy zone, and to me that is very healthy retracement. So zoomed in, you can see on the daily how it's pretty much just bouncing off that trend line, the weekly trend line. It's respecting it really, really well. So, that is the bottom there, and there. So amazing. And it looks to be in recovery today. I think it's the start of a new week now in the US. So yeah, it looks like we are recovering. So I'm going to zoom in again on the 4 hour. It's done a huge bullish engulfing candle, which is something that is, bigger than the candle before it, making it an engulfing candle. It's doing a little retrace, and I think that we are going to go up, and it will be interesting to see if it busts through this trend line again, and this holds as support. Then that is a great entry to take for a long, just like I did here, and that was a really good trade. I feel that this is going to be a really, really good trade once it busts through there, and yeah. However, I don't know if we're really, really going to be long until after we get to this. This is why I put an alert here, about 41,500. Then I feel after we've cleared, all this ranging that we've been doing for a few, how many weeks has it been now? We've been ranging inside just between this channel and this channel, up and down, going like a crab sideways. So that's why I'm waiting to see for sure if it's going to bust through this level, because then I think we are going to recover really well and really fast too. I think it will, once it busts through here too, the recovery just will be going so fast. But who knows how long that's going to take. I'm guessing that, seeing as it's June the 22nd today, all the options expire on the 25th of June. I really think that there's going to be a lot of volatility around then, and perhaps, so that's in 3 days. We might be ranging for a little bit more, who knows. But yeah, these are critical levels for me to watch. And besides, you can, make trades, range trades as well. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And, once we've broken these levels here, I'm in a big long for the long term till at least, September, October. And we'll see what happens then. But those are my thoughts on Bitcoin today. So I actually did a no-no. I'll be completely honest. I've already entered a trade after this candle here. I've now gotten in because I don't think we are going back down again. It seems to be, I'll do this live, what my thoughts are. I'll draw a Fibonacci retracement. Oh, actually, I think I've done that already. Here. Okay, so on the 1 hour, can you see how it's starting to retrace now because it's done a great big bullish engulfing candle. So we really should be waiting for it to retrace before getting an entry. Yeah, so I mean, I've already gotten in, so I don't know, that might have been a mistake. Like, I probably should have waited until I see it come back down to 50 at least to get in, but I guess that's due to a bit of FOMO, which we all experience. So I'm learning. However, yeah, just to be safe, after a big dash up, it's always good to wait for it to retrace down to the 50 or the 61.8 before entering again. But yeah, so I'm actually basing my trade also on a fundamental decision, which I learned yesterday that a lot of traders had short positions open and they have now mostly all been closed. So that's another reason why I'm entering along. So based on that, not just technicals as well today, I'm basing it on technicals and fundamentals. And that's why I feel confident to take a very aggressive entry today. And that is probably all about Bitcoin that I can think of today. I think we'll maybe look at a few other charts. Everything looks to be recovering today. Like, so DOT on the weekly, we zoom in, you know, it all seems to be making a recovery. Let's look at ETH. ETH as well. On the weekly, it hit the 61.8 and the weekly trend line. So yeah, it's making a recovery too. However, I made the decision that I'm only just going to trade Bitcoin for now because I found some ways of earning passive income that without even touching my money, just having it sit there, it's earning interest in a wallet and on another broker. So I might do a separate video about that next time to show you the best, like, highest interest returning wallets and broker accounts, because I don't think Binance is the best one now. I've done a bit more research on that, so I will do a separate video regarding that shortly. Alright, that is all for today, and if you want to learn trading, please check out my free 20-minute intro to trading webinar with my mentor. I'll post the link below, and hit like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.